Welcome, here I've got ONEPLUS NORD CE 5G, and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. To change aspect ratio, let's move up and tap to the center button so we get access to it. As you can see, we are in 4:3. When we tap again to the center, we can change it to the full one. So we have full camera frame, full aspect ratio, another tap here, and we can move also to the right side to 1 and 1. So now the background has changed to the square one. And of course you can pick whatever you need. Now let me move back to 4:3 original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.